Hello, dear students. Welcome back to Skills videos. Today, inshallah, I continue talking about the factorization, and now we have another type of factorization or another type of expressions to factorize. Today, we talk about difference and sum of two cubes, and from its name, we can say it's a cube. It's a perfect cube. Every single one of them is a perfect cube. So you can find the cubic root of the first one and the cubic root of the second one, of course. Let's try to solve the first one. As we can see here, the cubic root of the x cube is x, right? What about the second one? The cubic root of 8. Which number multiply itself 3 times gives 8? It's 2. 2 times 2 times 2 gives 8. So to factorize this expression, we make small and a big parenthesis. So we write x in 2 in the first small one, x in 2, and we make it power 2, x power 2 here. We write it in the first place, and 2 power 2 is 4, and to find the middle term, we multiply them. We multiply the x in 2, which is 2x. Now, the last thing is to find the signs. If this is positive, so that would be the same, positive. And if it was negative, I would write here negative. So this is always the same like this one. And this is the inverse. It's always different. It's minus. So if that was negative, so we write here negative and here positive. Of course, you understand that. And always this should be positive. Doesn't matter here if it's positive or negative, here positive or negative, doesn't matter. The point is this is always positive. If you understand 50% of what I did here, let's complete them as 100 here. Again, a small one, a big one. The cubic root of x cube is x, and the cubic root of 1 is 1. Now let's write them here, x and 1, sorry. What about this one here? We make it x squared, and make 1 square, which is 1. Multiply both of them to get the middle term, which is x. Now, this is negative, so that should be the same. That is positive, and that's always positive. I guess you understand now, at least 90%. Okay, let's try another one. Small one, a tall one. What is the cubic root of 64? Yeah, use a calculator, shift root, shift square root to give cubic root. Now it gives 4, because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. X, only x. And here, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, so the cubic root of 27 is 3. So we write it here, 4x and 3. Square it, square it. It gives, the 4 square is 16, and don't forget the x, it's x squared. Now I square this one, the 3, its square is 9. Now, multiply both of them to get the middle term. 4 times 3 is 12x. So we write here 12x. Now what about the signs? This is positive, so that's the same, positive. That's different, negative, and that's always positive. Okay, now it's your turn. Try to solve this one. Stop the video and solve it. And then check your answer. Okay, what is the cubic root of 8x or 3? It's 2 and x. What about this one? It's 5 times 5 times 5, so it's 5. Now 2x, 5. So what is the next step? Yes, I can hear you. Well, good. Make it power 2. It's 4x power 2. Then 5 squared is 25. Then multiply both of them. It's 10x. Good. Now the sign. Negative, so that would be the same. That's the opposite, and that's always positive. Good, well done. Again, stop the video, try to solve this one, and check your answer after you do it. What is the cubic root of 125? It's 5. What about a cube? It's very simple. It's a. Now, small parentheses and the long one, 5a, 5 squares 25, a square is a square. Multiply them, it's 5a, positive, so that should be the same. That's different, and that's always what? Yeah, always positive. Again, 343. It's 7, mister. What about this one? It's a 3m. Now we write 7 and 3m. 7 squares 49. And here, 9m square. Multiply them, it gives 21m. Then that's negative, so that be the same, the opposite, and always positive. Okay. Now these two questions would be your homework, and I'm going to solve this one. As usual, small one, long one, and this is, yeah, xy. Well done. And that's 3, so we write it xy, 3. Make it power 2, so it's x squared, y squared. 3 squared is 9. That's positive, so that's positive. And don't forget to multiply them. It's a 3xy. That's positive, that's negative, and that's always positive. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and wait for the next skill in the skill videos. Thank you very much. That was Mr. Ahmed Darweesh. See you next time. Goodbye.